Parasolid files are the universal language of 3D CAD. Even without expensive software like SolidWorks, you can view the geometry for free. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's download the viewer. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. The XT exists as a specialized self-contained unit within the 3D CAD file structure. Its design is explicitly rooted in the Parasolid Model Part File standard. The X, T-file is a specialized proprietary 3D kernel file used by Parasolid and exchanged between various CAD/CAM applications like Autodesk Fusion 360. It contains precise geometric data, e.g. solid models, in a textual format for high-fidelity data transfer. Developed by Siemens PLM software, Parasolid, the format is licensed by Autodesk. The design rules are rigorous, focusing on maintaining geometric accuracy. Since the format is plain text, its integrity relies on perfect syntax adherence. Any missing definition or misplaced semicolon will cause the receiving CAD program to fail reading the file. It is standard practice to open the XMAP to format using the designated Autodesk Fusion 360 by Autodesk Inc. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows can show only simplified info, so detailed examination calls for full 3D modeling software. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the XT file and choose Open With. Use Autodesk Fusion 360 as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If your XT file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. If you're still with me, that XT file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, use native CAD software. Open the file using professional CAD software that supports the Parasolid modeling kernel, such as Siemens NX or SolidWorks. Next, use Free Viewer. If you only need to view the 3D model, download and use a free CAD viewer like eDrawings Viewer or FreeCAD. Finally, convert online. Use an online conversion tool like Zamzar to convert the file to a more accessible format such as STEP or STL. If the initial fixes didn't work, we now know the file's resistance is extremely high. The only sensible path forward is trying a comprehensive universal tool. The fastest solution is FileMagick. It's the ultimate universal file viewer for the XMAP1T format. Available immediately at filemagick.com. The quick fix wins every time. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.